Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here with darkEdge.com. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Misfit wearable Shine. This is a new activity monitor which was funded on Indiegogo and is now available for purchase at an Apple store near you. It's $120 plus tax, and to check availability, you can go on Apple's website and check to see if they have it because they don't have it at all Apple stores yet. And yeah, so it's a new activity monitor. Just hit the market, and it's up to compete against the Jawbone UP, Nike Fuelband, and it's around that same price range. Let's see how this opens up. Okay, nice little box here. So it's a sport band and clasp. You can also, here it shows all the places you can pretty much wear it at. It's very flexible. And you can use it while swimming and all different types of sports, which is something you can't do with the Nike Fuelband, not the Jawbone UP. So it is waterproof. And okay, let's put that aside. Let's take a look at this right here. Okay, we push on it. Okay, and there we go. Super tiny. For a size comparison, let's see this SD card. You can kind of see the size there. It's super tiny and very lightweight. Actually, it's pretty close in weight, which is interesting. And this all seems to be machined aluminum. There's the Misfits logo, and we have the sides right here, which clasp onto all the other accessories. We have the LEDs around, which can tell the time, how close you are to your goal, etc. And yeah, so let's see what else is in the box. All right. Very interesting box. Okay. So we have the batteries here, which is attached here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this seems to be the band, the clasp, yes. This right here is the wristband attachment, so you can put on your wrist. And this right here, this is to pry out so that you can put the battery in. Looks really cool, and you also can sync it, or right now for a while, until the Android version is released. So it's only available in the iOS App Store, so it's only going to work with an iPhone. Yes, so we're going to turn that on later. I heard it doesn't work with iOS 7 yet. At least the syncing doesn't work, so I can't try that out. I'll have to get my hands on someone else's phone. But yeah, let's see real quick to see if we can put on this battery. Right here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's quite easy. All right. Okay. It's magnetized on there. Put it on right there. What I like about this is that it has a battery, and you don't have to worry about charging it. You just replace the battery every once in a while. I'm guessing it goes on this. Oh yeah, it's magnetized over here, so it stays on there. That's pretty cool. Magnets. And I'm guessing it goes back on the same way. There we go. Okay, it just snaps in like that. So that was pretty simple. LEDs. And that is all. Let's check out the wristband attachment, see how this is. And as I said, there's also attachments on their website. I'm guessing they'll add them in the Apple Store later, and you can wear them as a wrist. I mean, on your neck and other parts. So this is how it looks on the wrist. You know, pretty minimalistic. You can tell time on it. I'm not sure how it works right now, but the LEDs light up on the hour and also on the minute, so you can kind of see the time. Not the most accurate thing in the world, but it works. And let's see the other thing, this clasp, which Or is this just a battery holder? I'm not sure. No, this is definitely the clasp, yeah. Okay. Interesting. So let's pull that out. And now, apparently we just do that, and you clasp it onto things. So you put it, I guess, on your shirt or whatever, and clasp it on. Like so. Let's see. Boom. All right, there we go. So then you just go, this is my shirt right here, my really thick shirt, and then you just boom, boom, and it clasps on. This is very thick, by the way. So I guess, or it should hold on to most shirts. So that's pretty cool, actually. It's a very smart way to do the clasp. And I'm guessing I have it the wrong way. It's the other way, huh? Some way like that, but that's an interesting way for it to work. It's pretty cool. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick unboxing. I'll probably have a review up later. Really depends on how I like it, if I'll do a review or not, or if it's worth even mentioning anymore. But yeah, it's very cool. The Misfit wearable Shine in stores now at the Apple Store for $120 plus tax. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.